Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, we're gonna do mall customer segmentation from the old thing. You guys remember when we did clustering, simple clustering on the Google Colab, and then we hit those two columns, and then we hit another two columns? We did two different models. Well, we're gonna deploy that same model, only those same two columns. It's been a while since I've been on the cloud, especially on Sagemaker, but I thought I'd do that for you guys. Okay, so import all these necessary libraries, get your execution role, find out which region you're in. We're going to deploy the KMeans model. Name your own bucket, whatever you want to name it. Okay, mall data equals read, and then we're going to drop those two columns, access equals 1. You can do data to CSV, just if you want to make another data frame of the two columns we're going to hit. And then data equals data type float 32. Be sure you do that. That's very important. And then your output and your data location for the bucket. Okay, and then K equals 5, because remember that was the number of, that was the elbow of the K in the data. For the two columns we were going to hit. The other column it would have been 4. But anyways, and then here you go. KMeans fits the data. Remember, as type float 32. And we'll see how it trained. Okay. And by the way, guys, and then this is how you deploy. And then don't forget, you can also run it at more epochs if you want a higher accuracy. Or if this was different than a scikit-learn's k-mean, you can always find the best elbow in K. Another way on SageMaker. Okay, and then import this right here to see the number of clusters. Okay. And then the cluster counts. Okay. Be sure you do this right here because this gets that parameter. Closest to cluster, remember? You see that right there? And its value count. Okay, so as you can see, it tells you how many right there. For 2, remember because we have 5 clusters from 0 to because K equals 5. There we go. You guys see the value counts? Now you can use this to predict the same data frame that's similar that it was trained on, as you can with a classification and regression. Okay, I hope you guys can learn from this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys want SageMaker pipelines, or you want to deploy an XGBoost regressor, predict it on new data, and hypertune the parameters. Or you guys want a complete end-to-end ML ops with, then again, I got to get to 1,000 subscribers for that. A complete ML ops end-to-end with SageMaker pipelines and the notebooks. I'll show you guys how to do that. There's an MLOps template in SageMaker Studio. Be sure to hit like and subscribe.